In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome in Windows. So, I'm assuming you're using this browser, which is Microsoft Edge, in case you don't have Chrome yet and are trying to install it, so I'll show you how to do it from here. If you're using any other browser, it's the exact same procedure. You have to go to the search box first, so in here, it's gonna be in the Microsoft Bing, but you can also click up here and look for Google Chrome. Press it, press enter, and you will see google.com/Chrome and Google Chrome, download it fast, secure browser, etc. Now you want to click on this, and over here, what you want to do is where it says the web is what you make of it, it says download Chrome. You want to simply click download Chrome, and this will start a download for you of around 8.5 megabytes. Once that's downloaded, you want to open it up. So if you can't find it, I'll show you what the location of that is, okay? And that automatically it will start downloading and installing Chrome. Now I'm gonna skip this because I already have Chrome installed over here. I'm gonna click cancel installation, but in case you don't have Chrome installed yet, this will install Chrome to your computer. Now, if you can't see this file over here we just took a look at, what you want to do is first find it inside your downloads folder. So I'll show you right now really quickly. If you go to your File Explorer, you want to click Downloads here on the left, and your Chrome setup should be in here. Just double click it, and it will launch the Chrome setup, and it will automatically install Google Chrome for you, and you can start using it on your computer. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.